What is up? What is up? What is up? How we doing today? How we doing? How you doing, Ayad? Are you bullish or bearish? No idea. No idea. Bearish till breakout. That's all I have to say. Bearish until breakout. I'm glad you like the thumbnail. Glad you like it. Thumbs up. Degen requests. All right. Good morning, MO2. Good morning. All right. Degen. We'll check out Degen. So I will say the list that I got for you guys today is a little bit random, but noted. As you can see from the chart, Bitcoin's being random. And man, is it really messing up some trades. Oh, so random. So, like, you can see this downtrend. You got the third touch. You broke out of your uptrend, and then you broke out to the upside. I don't understand. What are they doing? I don't get it. This is weird. This is extremely weird, and that's how the day was today. Extremely weird. BTC messing with me too. Haven't traded all day. I tried to get into 3 separate trades this morning. All of them got stopped out, whether it be to the upside or the downside. They all got stopped out. So I was like, really? Okay, we won't trade this market. That's fine. Like, what the heck? So, yeah. This was fun. This was fun. Anyways, Bitcoin on the 15-minute. You're neutral? I don't even know, bro. I have no idea. Looking at it on the 4-hour, near rally ahead of bullish news, I guess. What, there was a rally? Okay, cool. So maybe we'll check out near. I don't know if that was a request or not. But yeah, on the 4-hour, you can see respecting the downtrend until we didn't. But they made sure to break out of this uptrend first before having 12 hours of bullishness. I don't understand at all what they're doing with this, but overall, we are not broken out of the longer term downtrend. We're not even close to it. So as of right now, still bearish. I'm still very bearish. I'm bearish to the point I'm not even trading until this thing decides to go a direction. I'm done trading this weird choppiness. Whatever the market makers are doing, all they're doing is destroying the traders. So I'm kind of done trading for now, and I'm just gonna watch it. Maybe they'll start, I don't know, acting right next week. But for the past 3 weeks, they've been doing this weird chop. We had this nice drop before, but noted, we had all of this crap before that. So this is literally 3 weeks straight of them bullshitting around with the markets, and I'm not going to trade it. I'm simply not. I don't play these games. So hard to decipher where it's going to go. I mean, right now it's utilizing the 200 daily as a suggestion. So confusing. So confusing. So yeah. Can we look at syrup and ATH? Okay. Took 6 trades, only 1 was good. Amazing day. I know, it's absolute crap. Absolute crap. Not trying to sound you ain't shit, but I look forward to your stream every night. It's like a nightcap. Well, hey, I appreciate that. Hopefully I can bring some entertainment tonight because I just got stopped out of my last trade, which I'm going to show you guys that next. It's auction. I posted it in Discord, and I was like, oh, maybe it's actually going to go down. It started to, and then while being overbought on the 4-hour, stopped me out. I was like, wow, that's amazing. That is amazing. Crypto in general looks like it wants to go off, but all the unknowns keep it in check, feels like. Well, that's just it, Fred. It's like it's not going up or down. It's just weird. It's just weird. So this is where I think the market makers are just raking in not only fees, but liquidating different traders. Auction is unstoppable, bro. Bro, it's ridiculous. It literally just stopped me out. If it's anywhere below 4% when we go look at it, I'm gonna be a little pissed off. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be a little bit pissed off. But yeah, looking at Bitcoin on the daily, it's like as of yesterday, if we zoom in here, we utilized the 200 daily sort of as resistance, but we got that break above it. Now it's acting as support. Maybe. It's so strange. XRP is always my favorite. TA XRP to 60 cents. 58 cents. 58. Definitely 58, JB. We can check it out. Let me start writing some of these down. So we got syrup and ATH. Syrup. Syrup, ATH. We also have XRP in here. How's the 6 to 9K challenge so far? Terrible. It's absolutely terrible. I had to put in a new $6 because it got down to like $1.18. So it's now back to $6 and we will wait. We will wait to trade. I can't even rely on trading Bitcoin. It's kind of tough. Kind of tough. Even better? Even better. I'll take $6. No shame. You want some H-bar? Alright, I got you on H-bar. So yeah, remember guys, my bias right now is to the downside because in the crypto space, you guys might notice a trend. If the market ever trades sideways long enough, you will get a crash. Just plain and simple, you will. It'll be a quick little liquidation of all the longs before you start going to the upside. Happens all the time. It's just how long are they going to play their games is the real question. Right now in Bitcoin, we can't even figure out a trend. The trend is down, yes, overall, but you're so far from your trend line that it's now deciding to chop around and figure out what it wants to do. It could buy its time all the way out until April 8th. So this could get real boring real fast. Hopefully we're not in that much of a crypto winter. Hopefully it decides to like get some movement in here. That would be nice. But beggars can't be choosers. This uptrending level of support surprisingly is acting as support. So we'll see if we go down and touch it again. But yeah, what's up, Nigel? How you doing? Can we check ETH also? Got you. ETH. ETH is kind of not looking great. All right, so tokens we're going to be looking at. We're going to be looking at Solana. We're going to be looking at Auction, AVAX, ADA, Algorand, Bonk, Pepe, C98, WIF, Casper Labs, and Kava. All right, those are the ones that I got for you. If you didn't hear your token, feel free to request. Taking all requests tonight. It is Wednesday, right? Yeah, it's Wednesday. If we look at our liquidation heat map for Bitcoin, we have some shorts ready for the taking at 84,576, $123 million just sitting there waiting. Jupe seems like it's bottomed. Can we take a closer look? Sure, we will check out Jupe. Jupiter. All right. There's a bunch of longs sitting down here at 80,900. There's 115 million in longs chilling down there. I guess some people have the hopium. They got the hope. Might as well throw in Ondo. All right, Fred. All right, Ondo. Got you covered. Got you covered. So yeah, Bitcoin right now. Hold on. Whoa. Got to go to the weekly real fast before we move off this. Wednesday, we don't do TA on XRP. It's our one day we can chill and not talk about XRP. DZ, XRP, I think it had a decent day today, right? So the XRP army might be feeling some hope. They might be loading up on the longs before they all get liquidated. Could be great. So looking at the weekly for Bitcoin, it seems like all of your liquidity is above. All of it. We will see if they start tapping into it or not. I think this is the only driving factor for Bitcoin. It just wants the liquidity. but I'm pretty sure most of Wall Street, as well as investors around the world, they're not really comfortable with jumping into Bitcoin right now, which is also causing our markets to act really erratically. I guess Bitcoin's trying to catch some bids now. We do have bullish divergence on the daily. It should go up, guys. It should go up. And noted, the target we have for Bitcoin, if it goes up, big if, noted, getting a higher low, that's going to be a really big deal. We have not gotten that yet. But if it does go up, we should see Bitcoin come up to 96,947. I'd like to request RPL. Okay, got it. AKT and Myth. Got you covered. All right. So next up, let's go ahead and check out auction real quick. Auction. So you all can feel my pain. So right now on you motherfucker. Sorry. I'm really mad about this one. Guess where my stop loss was? Just take a freaking guess where my stop loss was. My stop loss was sitting right here at 26.37. Look at that bullshit. This is the shit I've been going through all day. These oh my god. So yeah, it decided to go up and stop me out before falling profusely and almost putting me back into the positive. That is amazing. Wow. And if you guys want to know why I jumped into this trade, simply put, if you look at the 4-hour time frame, what we did, a bearish engulfing candle after a lower high while being overbought. I mean, and then the icing on the cake of it all, this is a weekly level of resistance. The fuck, man? So, on the bearish engulfing, the following 4-hour candle cleared the tops of both candles to stop me out. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. Alright? Take it back. I'm pissed. This is bullshit. I'm going to wake up tomorrow. It's going to be down 22%. I'm going to be like, wow, they really wanted my stop loss. Wow. Unreal. Unreal. As it starts going negative. Oh. So if anybody's wondering why I'm deciding not to trade right now, yeah, it's this nonsense. Because they're like, well, it's still a downtrend. It was just a wick. Right. How stupid. Confirmed breakout. Candle high close. Not only of the downtrend, but also of resistance. And sold off. They want to stop using stop losses. Yeah, maybe. Who knows? But this was some bullshit. Right there. Such bullshit. Let's move along. Alright, we got Solana. So, Solana here. Let's go out to the daily. Now, on your daily for Solana, you do have bullish divergence. You did have a downtrend that you are currently broken out of. So, let's get rid of all of this. You did have a new downtrend that you're also broken out of. The amount of liquidity hunting is reaching SPY levels lately. I mean, it's crazy. It's actually crazy. As soon as I put in a trade, wherever I enter, that is now support. It is crazy. Like, if I'm putting in a short, nope, that's resistance. Or no, that's officially support. If I put in a long, that's officially resistance. There ain't no way you're getting this trade. It's actually insane. So, like, starting the $6 trading challenge, extremely difficult. Extremely difficult. So until liquidity starts coming back, until more traders are here, I think it's just going to be desolate. So I can't even put in the orders because I just need the market to either start falling or to start going up. Like, that's all I need. Just get some momentum in a direction. I feel like all the momentum's gone. But yeah, so right now for Solana, you do have bullish divergence. You have everything built toward you should be able to go up. The only downside here on the daily, you've just got a death cross. So this death cross could pose to be a problem, but these are completely conflicting indicators. Death cross should send you down realistically to $82. Realistically, it should do that. But it could rally you straight up to that 200 daily moving average. And I'm not even joking when I say that. You could go above it. You can go beyond it. A 50% retrace is getting back up to $204. So conflicting. So until we start trending, it's gonna be some rough sailing out here. You know what? Another thing that bothered me, I tried trading on the 5-minute time frame for Bitcoin today, and the same thing happened. I was like, on the 5-minute? You can't respect 5-minute TA. Wow. It was insane. But yeah, bullish divergence on the daily for Solana. If TA actually is going to be respected, we should see Solana go up 61 to possibly 79%. So Solana, all in all, looks good. Just, I don't know, the market forgot how to buy? I don't understand. I don't get it, man. Checking out AVAX here. It is respecting an uptrend right now. Already had its death cross, but we found support at $15.33. Now, if it decides to go up from here, get a higher low. That's all I'm asking. Higher low, take us back to $40. Take us right back up there. It would be great. It would be awesome. Be legendary. We'll see if it does it. And yes, you do have bullish divergence on the daily as well. I'm about to go back to just scalping on the 1 minute and eat the fees. I mean, you might as well at this point. It's crazy. I think the only people who are winning in leverage trading right now are the exchanges. Tried to get into a short on ADA earlier. It didn't pan out. Not at all. But on your daily, apparently a daily candle close below your 200 is just a suggestion right now. That's not concrete evidence that you're going down, because now all of a sudden we're above it and we're not even back testing it. It's kind of amazing. We have this local downtrend here, but I'm still thinking a 26% downside could happen. If we zoom out a little bit, you can see this consolidation pattern. If they wanted to, they could make us wait until April 23rd before making a decision. If they wanted to, they could just stall out these markets and bore you to death. Could happen. But also, we had this fake out to the upside, which was just egregious. Just oh, come on, man. Anyways, moving along. We got Algorand. Algo currently utilizing 20 cents as a resistance. We could pop all the way up to like 22.56 as a formal back test. I use a mixture of BitUnit. Oh, talking to them. Got it. Could get a formal back test, which would be completely normal. 22.56 would be the target. But I'm still looking at Algo more than likely coming back down to 10 cents eventually. Give me that 100% retrace. It'll be all right. It'll be just fine. But Death Cross coming in the next few days. You have a double downtrend here. It's going to be very hard for Algorand to start getting bullish at these levels. Maybe once you get a little closer out here, sometime in May, we could talk about it being bullish again. But until then, expect the choppiness, expect the weirdness out of Algorand. Well, let's check out Bonk. Bonk has been burning people left and right, whether it be to the upside or the downside. So Bonk, I noticed it the other day on a lower time frame, had an uptrend, and then it broke it. But you want to know how it did? It decided great time to round our bottom and go up again. I don't know if it's finally going to catch some bids or not, but it is sitting on top of support. And you could rally up 47, even getting up 78% from where you're at, and still be in your downtrend. So Bonk has some work to do, but I guess it's trying to bottom out right now. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. But that is Bonk right now. Let's check out Pepe. Pepe had a decent day today. Oh, looks like you're breaking some resistance, which is even better. So Pepe, we might get a test at that 50 simple moving average on the daily. If we do, we might see Pepe rally up another 28%. This would be very nice. Very nice. And it would be out of the norm. But we still have this downtrend to contend with. And also, we still have room to the downside. Check out Pi. Okay. We'll check it out. I looked at the 4-hour liquidity chart on Bonk. The amount of degen longs / shorts was wild. Dude, the entire candle structure was... Oh, really? Just tagged with liquidity? That's wild. Go figure. Let's throw on Pi. I wonder if Pi's getting any bids now. I feel like Pi should just have like only sell pressure. Just straight sell pressure, non-stop. Let's check out C98 next. So C98, it is in falling wedgeception. So you can see on the daily you have massive bullish divergence. We just haven't put in a higher low. Waiting on that first higher low. But the bullish div on the daily is ridiculous. So one day someone's going to decide to buy this asset and it's going to fly. But as you can see, your demand line isn't even being respected. Gotta love that. We're just dipping below it, popping back up. Currently, all levels of support and resistance are only suggestions. I guess the market makers have lost all control of these markets. Who knows? Or they have more control than ever. Fell out of the wedge and scooped itself back up into the wedge. It's crazy. Yeah. It was basically like, hey, we're going to go find new lows. Oh, wait a second. We can't do that. Absolute insanity. When it does finally catch some bids, this thing's going to go nuts. Everybody's going to be like, oh my god, who would have seen it coming? Nobody. Nobody at all. Because this thing, it literally overnight could do something like 140%, and that's just a bearish 5-0. How crazy is that? 140% for a bearish 5-0. You get that the top of the golden retrace, 179%. So if you're brave, these are the areas in which you'd be buying. If you're brave. What does that? That's so suspect. I don't know, man. I don't know. We're in clown world out here. Alright, let's move on. We got Whiff. Let's see how Whiff is doing. C98, no joke. Market cap small. Token already diluted. Yeah, already. Wow. Look at Whiff. Look at this crap. It just keeps figuring out how much lower it can go. Absolute nuttiness. But for Whiff, your long-term downtrend, this thing's about to make a decision. Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Because based off these two touches, all the way from starting back in November, and then getting another touch in December. Now, we're finally going to get some resolution. Are we going to break out of this? Are we going to? We should be able to figure out by March 19th. We got one more week. One more week, damn it. The amount of bullish divergence you have on the daily is disgusting. It's... Oh, man. There's your bullish divergence look. You can see the strength coming up. So maybe one day this will be the next prom queen. Just maybe. Let's go ahead and pull up the fibs here. Wow. So on a golden retrace, the top of the golden retrace, you'll see WIF go up 550%. It's ridiculous. Perfect. JPAL gonna not cut rates, and WIF is gonna dump 1 week. I mean, where's it gonna go? You're so close to zero. Where are you gonna go, bro? I just feel like at this point in time, how many more tokens can they sell? How many more? Just get rid of them. If you don't want to hold the asset, just get rid of them. Just sell it off, man. All right, let's check out Casper Labs. So Casper Labs surprisingly looks really good right now. We got the nice breakout of the falling wedge. You popped off. You didn't quite get your measured move. Went into another falling wedge. And now measured move out of this. And you're currently broken out. You could see a 94% rise. Will it get bids? Who knows? Who knows? Compound bullish div. But no. Price discovery to the downside, baby. That's pretty funny. Hey bro, can you add GOAT to the list? Yeah, we can check out GOAT. We're just out here talking trash. So, sorry if you like the GOAT token. I'm probably going to talk some trash on it. Probably. Be prepared. Anyways. So yeah, Casper right now, you can only look so good before you look like trash. You're underneath resistance for reasons unknown. Literally holding support this whole time, but you waited to break out before losing support. I don't even understand you. You make no damn sense. Let me know you like green candles by liking the stream. Hey man, I don't care what color the candles are. Just don't go sideways. I don't give a shit. Just don't go sideways. Alright, last one I'm bringing to you guys is Kava. Kava, put it on the radar. Put it in your dreams. This thing on the weekly looks like a godsend. Bullish divergence on the weekly. Falling wedge on the weekly. We could be stuck in this thing all the way until September 1st. But when it finally breaks out, I mean, you got some movement that could be coming. We're looking at a 10x. All good. Trash it if you must, bro. Trashing this whole market right now. We get these weird pumps overnight, and then Wall Street, like in the pre-market hours, starts dumping. As soon as the market opens, they start buying, and it's like, what are you doing? Pick a direction. Damn, bro. Oh man. So yeah, Kava right now, this one should be probably on everyone's radar, because once it finally breaks out, I don't think you're going to have another opportunity down here until it just crumbles. Noted, if you short the market, you're going to love shorting this thing. You're going to absolutely love it. You get that 10x in there, man, you might have a real good time shorting this bad boy. And you know, a lot of people are shitting on ETH. They will be sorry. I don't know, maybe. We'll see. The biggest problem Ethereum has is that it switched over to proof of stake. So now a bunch of people who are holding a ton of ETH, they just have unlimited sell pressure because they're staking their tokens. So they're like, oh, cool. Before we actually had to buy it over the counter. Now it's just generating into my wallet. Fantastic. So we're going to see if ETH can get its bull run. But man, that thing has been held down so far. Held down. The more Kava consolidates, the more I wonder if it wants to die. Honestly, the whole market could be falling, and this thing's just trending sideways. This is the weirdest price action I've ever seen. I'm wondering if we actually had a bullish time in the market, would this have gone up? Would it? Because it hasn't seen any type of bullishness since this green candle back in May of 2023. It's just been down ever since then. I mean, if you still have some Kava tokens, just sell them off. Get rid of them. What are we doing? Alright, let's check out RPL. Getting into the requests now. Rocket Pool. I don't think I've looked at Rocket Pool in a while. Rocket Pool looking gross on the weekly. Let's check it out on the daily. Daily time frame, you do have bullish divergence. Trump is putting hundreds of millions into ETH. Why is the question? Who knows? Also, I don't think it's Trump directly. I think it's his son. Just honest thoughts. I think it's his son, not actually Trump. Because they're also buying ENA, or no, not ENA, Move for some reason. Well, also ENA, but they're also buying Move for some reason. I can't figure out why. Yeah, I pay attention to everything that World Liberty Financial is buying into. And, yeah, Move and ENA, those ones confuse me. I can't really understand why they would buy those. So I guess RPL's trying to put in a falling wedge? Trying? I don't know. You tried to go bullish, messed up all your moving averages, and then it started pooping on itself. Well, Move, anti-moving, yeah. Eric's buying ETH as a wedding gift for BitBoy. Oh boy. Wait. BitBoy's getting married again? I don't think BitBoy should get married again. Stuffing BitBoy's shirt on the 3rd? What in the world? That's wild. That is wild. Alright, so Rocket Pool, if it ever figures out how to break out, I mean, it could be a massive move, getting you back up to $16. But this bleeding fest, we're going to have to figure out what's going on here. Who's marrying BitBoy? Who knows? It's probably the girl that he got in trouble with. Who knows? Eric's marrying BitBoy. Oh, here we are. Here we are. Akash Network? Oh, I've been here before. This did not perform well. Falling wedge broke to the downside. Ugh. Gross. Uptrend got annihilated. Wow, that wick was the most volume that token saw in its entire lifetime? Jeez. Alright, this trend is making a little bit more sense. So, let's go to our weekly. Let's go to the weekly. So it's stuff like this where I'm like, okay, great, easy money. You should be coming straight down to support somewhere around 68.27. But instead, you're trying to fight to get back up there. So let's check out daily again. Daily time frame, you're just oversold. There's no bullish divergence yet. Last time you were this oversold was back here. Dang, that's crazy. Alrighty. Let's check out your 4-hour. Maybe you got some hope there. Bullish divergence on the 4-hour, and you already had a couple higher highs. 1 million volume, even at $51, the most volume was 400K. Wow. It's kind of weird. Thinking BTC will come back down tonight? Well, Thursdays do hold normally the most volume when it comes to trading for one reason or another. So if it does come down, great, we got a direction. I can trade again. But if it doesn't come down, well, I will be sitting on the sideline until it decides to make a decision. So here's your current downtrend. Currently looking like you put in hidden bearish divergence on the 4-hour, because here's your previous high, lower high, higher relative strength. This gives me all the signs that it should go down. All the signs that it should go down. Will it? Probably not. But hey, we can speculate. So you could see this thing fall down somewhere in the neighborhood of 39 to even 57%. Would not be strange in the least if it did that. But odds are this thing's going to break to the upside, go up and touch 220, and then roll over later. When I wake up tomorrow, BTC will probably start moving left, right? It's just going back in time. It's going back in time. Porgy, do you like Ferrari, Lambo, or McLaren? I mean, I like to look at them. I would never own one or drive one. Looking at them, they're pretty cool. I think out of the three, I like the look of the Lamborghinis the most. The Gallardo, I like that one the most. It just looks like a strong car. I know they're about as strong as paper, but it looks good. But if you're talking about like a daily driver, from what I hear, the McLaren is probably the one to go with. Ferraris, all I ever hear from anyone who has owned a Ferrari is they're in the shop. It's like, always in the shop. It's like, okay, good to know. So yeah, this one, pretty bearish on. We could see a very big fall. But we'll have to see what the traders want to do. You still have that major downtrend that you're not broken out of. So that's also a problem. A strong investment for the dealer. Alright, moving on. We got Myth. So, Myth. Maybe there's somewhere with more data. Oh, here we go. Myth, you have no support down here. What? Ugh, gross. What is this wick? What the hell was this? Oh my god. Okay, yeah. You're hitting resistance right now. You have hit the resistance. Every time I'm ready to be bearish, MM decides to roll his face on the keyboard. Oh, man. Yeah, so you're at like these all-time lows, and there is no bullish divergence to speak of on the weekly. Let's check your daily. Daily time frame, massive rounded bottom, but you now have higher relative strength than you did back here. Very classic hidden bearish divergence has formed, so you could see a fall, which would be really weird considering you got a rounded bottom here. If you're lucky, you're just coming back down to support and creating a higher low, if you're lucky. But yeah, this thing looks like it wants to reset. Oh. Looking like it wants to reset. Off topic, what two teams do I think will go to the Super Bowl this year? It's a Levy Stadium 49ers. Got a $1,600 bet. I have no idea, honestly. If anything, maybe just shoot for whoever's bringing out the biggest contract. Didn't the Bills just make like the biggest contract or something for somebody? Scamwick's giving you confidence to short it. If you look at this one, this is where I would have been like, oh yeah, great time to go short. We're going to price discovery to the downside. 3 consecutive days of green after. Like, okay, never mind. But yeah, I think the Buffalo Bills just gave some dude like a $300-something million contract. That's a lot of money. That would be a whole grip of money to try and lose. Gonna put 100 on the Bills if they go to the Super Bowl at 1,600? That's wild. That's wild. That would just be my thought. I don't even watch football, so I don't know if I'm a really good indicator of what you should be betting on. I used to watch football, but then they stopped being able to hit each other, and I was like, well, this is not football anymore. It feels a lot more like soccer or basketball. And then I started seeing receivers and quarterbacks flopping, and I was like, oh, okay, I'm done. Wow. Can't believe that. At this point, I'd rather be actual bear market. You know, it would be better being in an actual bear. Because noted, at this moment in time, all I really should be saying is like, oh, you're getting the golden retrace. Yeah, golden retrace should be coming all the way up here to 30 cents. But I can't confidently say that. Thank you. I appreciate it. Love you. Mythos remind me of Alts chart, your swing short trade becoming a waste of time. That's rough. That is rough. Alright, so let's move on. Let's get Goat. Goatius Maximus. Yeah, you're low. That's all I got for you. You're just doing nothing. You have bullish div? Yeah, you have bullish divergence. There's a positive. I can't do much with this chart, if I'm being honest with you. I really can't. Maybe you catch bids. You have not yet. Are we rocket ready today? Rapture? You better go buy yourself a lazy boy. This rocket ship is going to be going slower than at a children's birthday party. Get one of those good old recliners. Grab a beer and relax. You're going to be just fine. Oh, man. Maybe it's a wet. Maybe it's a wet. Nope, it's a channel. Yeah. You're just downtrending here. Please look at alt as well. Things refusing to drop? Sure. The thing I hate about these meme coins is that I know it's DEXs pumping them up. Almost no hope the DEXs come back and pump again. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Rapture. See you next year. Honestly. I'm trying to short to be honest, bro. I mean, we all want some price action. But just look at GOAT on the... these are daily candles. These are daily candles. These are daily Let's check a couple days ago. Actually, most recent volume. This dropped 9%. That was your last day to trade. Other than that, 3% day, 0.89%, 2.5%, and now we're at 0.27. Are you bored yet? Like, this is a meme coin. There's no price action. And people are saying we're not in a recession. Oh my god. You do have massive bullish divergence and a reaccumulation starting on the 1 hour. Maybe that can give you some hopium. The biggest problem is this level of resistance that is acting as resistance. So ideally you'd want it to go down, but you have bullish divergence to prop you up. Oh, man. Who knows? Maybe the AI agents have stolen all the funds. Maybe they've done it. Is it free, that coin? Practically, it's 5 cents. 5 cents a token. You know what? I'm gonna start using real world assets as an indicator of when it's time to start buying meme coins. I think I'm going to start utilizing when kids are paying way too much for Pokemon cards. That'll be the time. That'll be the right time. When I hear like a Pikachu sold for $800, I'll be like, yeah, meme coin season's here. But yeah, I don't have much to say about GOAT. It could go up, it could go down. It's doing nothing. It's doing literally nothing. You have so much bullish divergence, it should go up, but you are in a falling channel, so maybe you test the top of the channel. You want to add GFI and OM? Alright, GFI and OM. I guess we're going straight there. I'm down for that, right? Goldfinch. I haven't looked at this one in a while, and I think I'm going to cry. Damn, it's so low. I bought into this one a while ago. I bought in up here. We're so far down. Anyways, bullish divergence achieved on the daily. We are just so gosh darn low after a confirmed breakout, confirmed backtest, and getting pooped on. Maybe we go down and see 46 cents now. Just maybe. Bullish divergence is just bearish price action, and bearish divergence is just bullish price action right now. Exactly. LNE, no problem. I mean, I'm doing my best. Just the market is, it's like it hunkered down for the winter. Just, it's not great. So yeah, right now GFI, it might get down to 46 cents, honestly. And if we lose 46 cents, well, you know what? Our last line of defense, 21 cents. I'm saying R because I own this one, and I was thinking we were going to maintain these lows. I was wrong. Anyways, if we manage to get a move to the upside, $4.05. I'll probably sell off all of it. The RWA plays, the plays that never came. Except for OM. OM over here. Let's see. Oh, it's coming. Currently you're above your 50 simple on the daily, but you're getting very close to that downtrend. Let's see if we actually go down or if we break out. I'm down for whatever, man. But on your 4-hour time frame, we are getting a bearish backtest of your 50 simple moving average. This is a good start. This is also putting in a lower low. So this lower low and a lower high. So this is basically showing next leg down. We should see $5.26. What's up, Nikita? How you doing? Can we look at Tesla? Sure. Sure can, bucko. So OM right now, I'm very convinced it's going to keep going down. Give it enough time, you should see a 78% drop. But, man, I brought up the 78% downside back over here on the 9th. 3 days of this? 3 days. Okay. All right, cool. All right, OM, I see you. Checking out DGen. But first she needs to pop up and fill both my orders. I guess so. Alright, DGen, you have finally found support down here at 2892. You found support. 4 hours not looking like it's in your favor. You do have bullish divergence on the 4 hour though. You need a higher low. Once you get that higher low, we can have an argument for a golden retrace at that point. And your golden retrace right now this second is looking like 393% upside. That would be a very solid golden retrace based off your downtrend starting here, not the very top. You need somebody to buy it, though. No one buys it. It's toast. It is toast. What do you guys think? Do you guys think the Fed's going to lower interest rates? Or do you think the Fed's just going to leave everything the same and stop caring about anything else? I feel like the Fed's just going to leave everything the same. You know? I really do. On the daily, you have bullish divergence officially. You have both your 50 and 100 simple moving averages crossing below your 200. So who knows? Maybe DGen will start getting some bids in the near future. Who knows? Let's move along. Syrup. Syrup token. Never heard of this. Not much data here. Is there somewhere with more? Not really. Okay, cool. Cool. Think they're gonna revalue gold, crash everything, start World War III. I mean, I guess starting World War III would help balance out economies just a little bit. It would give everybody a reason to start printing a ton of money. So I guess that's a thing. I could see that. However, I don't think Putin really wants to start World War III. I think he just wants NATO not to be in Ukraine. I feel like that's what he really wants. No NATO, Ukraine. Just no. Hey, Damien. Stop by. Wait. Got stopped out by the scam wick on Ethereum futures at 6:05 Eastern tonight. They took the price down to 1750 while spot was at 1900. TA on Ethereum futures, please. Oh boy. I will see if I can look at that, but that's wild. Scam wicks have been relentless. Scam wicks have been terrible. And not just the big coins either. Yeah, that's true. So ETH perpetuals. We will check out the Ethereum perpetuals. So Syrup right now, you're in an uptrend after getting bullish divergence on the daily. If you can maintain this, you have the possibility of running up to 23.78. I wouldn't feel very confident of it, but you do have the possibility of doing that. So bullish case scenario, you get to see 58% upside. I don't know. Because also, I can make a strong argument for price discovery to the downside. With this nice 50% retrace, death wick up here, death wick right here, and you could find yourself at 5 cents. 5 cents. Almost seems like they're loading up on liquidity market wide. Yeah, they're either loading up on liquidity or they're forcing retail to sell. They did a scam wick on Bitcoin futures tonight as well, but they went after the shorts and took the price up to the upside. Really? Really? Yeah, I was trying to trade earlier, and while auction was overbought, it managed to stop me out to the upside. After getting a bearish engulfing candle on the 4 hour, I was like, wow, I thought that was a safe trade. I was wrong. Yeah, so until the market starts trending in a direction, I'm just going to stop trading. Because you know what? They don't deserve to be able to take my money that easily. They don't deserve it. It's just not right. Oh, beautiful downtrend. Whoa, we are set up for glory. Oh my. Okay, hold on. Don't get in the trade, even though it is set up ideally for this short. Because you could be going down to Valhalla, going down to 0.8 of a penny. This thing looks beautiful. Can we look at Ondo? Sure. Yeah, we're already going to. But yeah, we can. Scammy price action chart. Should have gone down already. Well, it's trending down while making higher highs. Do you see this nonsense? This is the biggest scam in the world. So, this is the... Anybody who's wondering, like, why are they complaining so much? It's because you are downtrending in your support. Downtrending while wicking up, taking out your highs. So instead of it looking like this, or even like this, where it's just going down, no. You also started out with doing this. What was all of that? What was this? What was that? 3 separate times. They are destroying leverage traders with this one. It's just not right. It's really not right. Honestly, what they're doing to the market right now, it's just not right. But no, this is the biggest scammy nonsense ever. So maybe on a scam wick, you throw in a short, but then that is going to be the time it breaks to the upside. And you'll be like, dang it, they got me. But no, this thing actually should see a lot of downside. 00896 is the target as it maintains its downtrend. And on top of that, you're starting to weaken. Wrong. McLaren is the worst. Typical Brit cars. Oh my god, we were talking about the McLaren and those cars. Look, Fast Trades, you need to catch up to the stream, brother. Best V10 daily driver found in some Audis? Audis. Okay. Might as well just trade like a D-Gen at this point. Flip a coin, take a trade, no stop loss. That sounds terrible. That sounds absolutely terrible. But yeah, everything's pointing for this thing to go straight down. So I'm going to say it's going up to 6572. Yeah, you're going to get that breakout. You're going to ride off into the sunset on the backs of all the shorts who knew how to read this chart. Yeah, because somebody's going to be like, but we had bullish divergence. No, you didn't. That was a wick low. That's your lowest low when you were oversold. No, there's no bullish dip. Is there a horizontal resistance that connect BTC price? I don't know what Bitcoin's current price is. The horizontal resistance is at 83,000 or 87,300 and something. I don't know. I posted it in Discord. What number did I say? 87,356. That is the current horizontal resistance for Bitcoin. No, Bitcoin's kind of free floating. Just in the ether. Doing whatever it wants. Nice, Rich. Nice. Alright. The XRP army here. 58 cents. Calling it. 58 cents. Calling it. Yep, 58 cents. I mean, honestly, we have a descending triangle. This is not a bullish pattern. This is a very bearish pattern. Notice I was playing from the start of the stream while playing Fortnite. Got it, Fast Trades. Got it. Yeah, so XRP, I mean, they're going to tell you it's going to be $10,000 a coin tomorrow. I'm seeing 58 cents. It's screaming at me in the face. But descending triangle, measured move from the descending triangle right here, it would bring you down 65%, bringing you to 73 cents. I mean, yes, it could break to the upside. It's just not as probable. So who knows? Maybe all of a sudden it'll be bullish. Who knows? I'm saying it loud and proud. XRP to 58 cents. I'm saying it loud and proud. Yep, no one's going to change my mind on that one. And they're going to steal the money of everyone talking about it's going to be $10 in 3 days. It's, oh gosh. Love it. Bro, it's XRP Army. They're something else, I'll tell you. That March 2nd move knocked damn near everything out. February 2nd killed longs. March 2nd killed shorts. Yeah, that's true. H-bar right now perfectly set up after putting in this little uptrend to go down 21%. So naturally, if you put in a short, we're probably going to see 25-35 to the upside. Don't put in your shorts yet. You do have a longer term downtrend up there that it honestly could pop up there. It's just I don't believe it. I don't believe it. You haven't even tested your 200 daily yet. H-bar not looking bullish in my opinion. Just not looking bullish at all. Looking super bearish. 21% downside. 21%. But that wick today was ridiculous. Ridiculous looking wick. Is this a trend? Do we need a tinfoil? Oh, yeah, bring out the tinfoil. We need all the tinfoil. This is more than a trend. It's a revolution. I just didn't figure out how the aliens are trading. The aliens are doing it. We all know this. It's either the aliens or the lizard people. Either way, they're messing with the charts. Alright, checking out Ethereum. So, Ethereum right now, hanging on by a thread. Hanging on by a thread. Currently speaking, long-term uptrend, holding on to the uptrend. However, always some bad news here. However, we are currently below support, sitting at 1889. We had a beautiful wick to the downside, all the way down here to 1830. Let's go ahead and take a look at those perpetuals real quick. So, ETH.P. There it is. USDT perpetuals contracts on Binance. Let's see it. So, we got a wick low down to 17.5. Oh my god. That's so terrible. Oh no. Might we look at total 3 and total? Sure. So yeah, we just saw how price didn't fall below 1800 and or 18.3 or something on spot. But yeah, perpetuals managed to push this thing down to 1754. That's insane. Actually insane. Oh, what the heck is going on here? Oh wait, I take it back. Nope, 17.5 on spot on Binance. So it still did it on Binance on spot. But man, that's rough. That was 2 days ago. What? Wait a second. Damien, did you say it did it today? Because today the daily low was sitting here at like 1830. What exchange are you trading on? That's wild. Yeah, that's wild. That wick was deliberate. It was. It was. And the worst part is you still have bullish divergence. They're still buying. Oh, man. That's funny. Alright, checking out Jupiter. So, word on the street is it bottomed. Well, it kind of did the worst thing possible. You were putting in a beautiful falling wedge pattern. You broke to the downside. Not only did you break to the downside, you didn't stop at support. You fell below it. And now you're utilizing former support as a resistance. That's a really big problem for Jupiter. All honesty here, I would be looking to short it. You're not supposed to do that. Eric Trump said, buy the dip. Now I'm broke. Oh, no. Oh, no. You know, the funny thing is, I just kind of laughed at the amount of people that were praising Eric Trump nonstop. They're like, oh my God, he knows something. And I was like, I feel like he doesn't know. I feel like he doesn't know. Nice little wick down on Jupe, too. Oh, yeah, we got that nice little wick down, but the problem is we have a bullish engulfing candle and zero follow through. We went sideways. So this was Ethereum futures on Coinbase exchange. Oh, okay. Yeah, Coinbase is weird. I bet simultaneously, as you're about to get stopped out, probably had an issue, couldn't log in or something. I traded futures on Coinbase. Got it. I don't know. Coinbase seems a little too shady for me to even think about doing futures on that. Whoa, you do futures trading on Coinbase. Whoa, you pay so much in not only like the fees, but taxes. Oh no. Eric knows. He knows where his short is. That's fair. He definitely knows where the short is. Massive bullish divergence on Jupiter. Let's see if you can get the higher low or any follow through to the upside. One or the other. Just do one of them. But right now, it looks stagnant. It was complete BS. Yeah, I feel that. Eric Trump knows. He knows. He down like 200 million in crypto, right? He's not down. He's way up. Yeah, probably. Probably. Interesting look here. I would be bearish on this, though. Honestly, I would be very bearish on this. I don't like when you fall bearishly out of a falling wedge pattern. It generally does not end well. Generally, it is really, really bad. Yeah, I know. Time for a new exchange. Yeah, Damien. I mean, Coinbase. They're telling the IRS your shoe size. Like it's oof. It's rough. It's rough. That's why the only thing that Coinbase knows about me is when I'm buying into crypto to send it to an exchange, or when I'm selling out and sending it to my bank account. That is all. Outside of that, I don't mess around with Coinbase. Pretty soon Eric Trump's gonna have his own meme coin, Laugh Stock. Yeah, probably. Probably. I'm surprised he doesn't already have one. I want to be bearish genuinely, but then it's bullish out of nowhere. Nope, just stay petty. Stay bearish. Stay bearish until altcoins break their 200 weekly moving averages. And I'm talking about like the dirtiest, lowest one, like one harmony. When it breaks its 200 weekly, all right, then we can be bullish again. Total 3. All right, looking at total 3. Total 3, like what was that? What was that wick? It's terrible. What exchange do I use to buy spot besides Bitcoin or Coinbase? I don't use Coinbase to buy spot. I use Coinbase to put money into crypto and send it to other exchanges. Right now, I like to use Weeks for that. Weeks has a lot of tokens. I mean, like a shit ton of tokens. So I do like buying on Weeks, but a lot of times I'll use DEXs depending on what I'm buying. As long as it's not on the Ethereum network, I don't mind using DEXs if I'm buying spot, because most of the time that I'm buying spot, it's at like all-time lows, so I could care less, and I'm gonna hold it for a while, so I don't really care. But Weeks, no KYC, right? Nope, not at all. Can I look at H bar? Yeah, we can loop around and look at it again. We can actually, we just looked at it not too long ago. Yeah, we'll look at it again. Weeks really is awesome. I like it a lot. It's good for trading. It's good for spot buying. You get perks. You get like daily fortune wheel spins. So that's kind of cool. You get some free crypto there. I do a ton of leverage trading on there, so I get wheel spins daily. So yeah, you're still in this falling wedge pattern for total 3. If we don't fall out of it, we could see a nice move to the upside, all the way up to like 1.52 trillion. Could be amazing. But we're below resistance at 822 billion. So it's completely in play for us to go back down to 637 billion. We just have to wait and see. Gotta wait and see. Let's go to total. Total. Wow. Total market cap has dumped hard. Positive, though, we just got a 50% retrace from our low to high. We're on that 50% retrace from low to high. Nice. If we hold, we could see glory. But as of right now, we're just looking to go down and test 2.41 trillion. But yeah, just downtrending. It looks a lot like Bitcoin. But the positive is you're putting in these lower lows. So you can see right here where it was a nice flat line, descending triangle. We dumped hard out of it. Can you just cash out of weeks and send the money to your bank account? Or do you have to go from weeks Coinbase back to your bank account? I think there's a way you can do it through weeks. I just never tried it. I'm really comfortable with doing it through Coinbase. So I just use Coinbase. But you can test that out. Let us know. Sometimes it glitches out and everything is in Chinese. Oh, you're talking about weeks? Yeah, sometimes it does do that, and it's funny. Every time it does that, I'm like, the hell is this? What is this? Are you sure it's Chinese? You sure? I want you to get the wrong culture in there. I don't know what the political correctness of that is. I don't know. Let's see if we made a measured move here. Almost got to the measured move down here. So we should see this thing come all the way down to 2.34? 2.33 trillion? So we got a bit more downside. But we're already putting in bullish divergence. So total market cap could want to go up. I know the world money supply is starting to go up. This thing should start catching some bids, but as of right now, it's not looking great. Not looking great. Alright, just a real quick recap on H-bar. H-bar was in a nice little uptrend here. We are now bearish on it. We have broken down. We are utilizing it as resistance. So if TA is to be respected, we're looking for a 21% move to the downside to 15472. We'll see if TA is respected. Model 2 on CoinGlass shows over 600 million in potential liquidations on the 2-week time frame above 60 cents. For what? I see some people saying total is in a correction channel from 2021 to 2022. Interesting. On Jupiter? Oh, got it. I don't know. Me no know. Let's go back to Jupe real quick. At 60 cents, so all the way up here. It makes sense for them to put it right there, because you're going to have to break through so much resistance to get to it. 60 cents, like, you would be testing your downtrend. I would still be bearish. What you did here was really, really bad. The fact that you broke below a support, and it's like, it's one of your all-time low supports. It's starting to look like Jupiter's about to go to price discovery to the downside. All you really need is for Solana to show some weakness, and this thing's flying to the downside. We have no idea how low it'll go. There's nothing to stop you down here. So definitely keep your eyes on it. But 600 million in potential liquidations. That's why. That's a lot for Jupiter. That is a lot. Like an altcoin having 600 million in liquidate. That's a lot. So who knows? Maybe they want the liquidity. Who knows? But that is a lot of money to be in an altcoin. Surprising. Ondo, you hit that 7699 level. You're on the supply level. Great, catching a little bit of a bounce. It's just really lackluster. So if it stays this week, it would not surprise me if we come down to 5966 or even 4890. Would not surprise me. Noted if you catch a bounce to the upside and you go on a straight line up, you could be seeing $1.08 once again. You're in the middle of two levels. So as of this moment in time, it's a flip of a coin. Yeah, you could argue you have some bullish divergence on the daily. That's fine. You can argue that all day. No big deal. It's just now you need follow through to the upside. Oh crap. Can you check CHR? Okay. CHR. La Chula Cooking. No problem. No problem at all. By the way, La Chula Cooking, what kind of things you cook? Is it good? Is it like really good? Have you liked the stream yet? Yeah, that'd be good if you guys hit the like button. That'd be really nice. Really nice of you. So yeah, Ondo right now, you're below your 200 daily moving average. You have bullish divergence. You're still in a downtrend. So as I like to say, bearish until broken out. Right now, you could just see another test of your supply line and then roll on over. So we'll see what Ondo wants to do. But until the market figures out a direction to go, I'm going to stay bearish. I'm going to stay really bearish. You get enough food brought to you. Hey, man. Hey, I just want to know what kind of cooking's going on over there on the La Chula channel. Okay? Because if it's delicious food, I might go make something for my wife. Alright? Ever think of that, Rich? Gosh. I know how to cook too, bro. Sheesh. Anyways. Let's move along. CHR. Oh, I haven't looked at this one in a long time. Long time. Not gonna, I do too. Wait, what? Okay, we got support there. Support right there. Wow, I feel better. Wait, what? You feel better. I'm confused. Quite confused. How very interesting that you fell in here. All kinds of cooking? All kinds? Like, what's your specialty, though? What's your specialty? These are real questions that I need to know. Missed a word there. Yeah, you did? Whoa. That's a big gap. Probably because I need to put that there. Anyways. They could hold you down all the way until October? Oh my goodness. Thanks for the TA, Porgy. Appreciate it. No problem, Jim. No matter how bad the markets, I'll be here. I'll be here. No matter how much I want to not be here, I'll be here. We have bullish divergence on the daily. That's good. That is good. Someone's going to argue this is some form of wedge. Someone will. I wouldn't. Someone will. and you broke out of it. So, there are things that are possible of happening, and then there's reality. Now's a good time to accumulate spot at least. That's fair. That's a fair assessment. So you could see 130 to 163% upside. Would not be weird in the least. This is what would be a normal price movement. If you throw a long on this thing, you're probably going to 2 cents. Yeah. Don't put a long in so other people can get that 163% upside. All right, you put a long in on this, it's going down in the worst type of way. So don't you buy this. I want to see some number go up. But you're not allowed to own it. Okay? That's what should happen. Very likely you're going to go down and test 7.6 though. Very likely. Let's check out Pi. Pi Network. All right, Pi. What do we got here? Ah, damn. Pi had a beautiful breakout to the upside. Pi Network. Nice day. You were up 26% on the day. You're still not doing great. Positive. You're above resistance. That's very good. Very, very great. But you're still below resistance too. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Alrighty. So yeah, there's not much data here. I know this thing just came out recently, but you're still kind of downtrending. So, and you have another lower high. So right now, what you could look at this as is the possibility of coming down to 74 cents. But noted, you could start running to the upside and make new all-time highs. Can you tell me about Pi? Because this coin came out of nowhere, and it's like number 11 on market cap. Oh, this thing didn't come out of nowhere. People were mining this thing on their phones for like 3 or 4 years. They were mining this thing on their phones forever. Going in, clicking a button. Going in, clicking a button. They have the most free tokens they could have ever asked for. Who knows what they gave up in the process, but yeah, that's basically what it is. It's a token that you can mine on your cell phone. That's really all it is. Anything else? I don't have a clue what this project does. So I would expect perpetual selling pressure, just non-stop selling. But I could be wrong. %54 downside would be normal in my opinion. Would be normal. ALCH. Wow, this thing really won't fall, will it? Wow. That is the ugliest relative strength I've ever seen in my life. You're technically downtrending, but, you know, you're also bearishly backtesting for the 4th time. That's 6611 level. That's fun. That's fun. The Pi team was able to sell OTC when the price was like 100 plus. Were they really? Oh, that's gross. Oh, that's messed up. I hate that. That's just dirty. Send it to 0. Send it to 0. Oh my goodness. That's ridiculous. Yeah, I don't know what to make of ALCH. I would still think you're going to come down 56%, but you know what? If it doesn't want to fall, it doesn't want to fall. You could see this thing rally up to 16 cents. That's kind of the problem with these newer tokens. There's not much data. The market makers haven't had enough time to accumulate enough. It's playing with your nerves, bro. I can see that. Well, yeah, the market makers haven't had enough time to like accumulate a lot. They haven't had enough time to mess with the numbers enough. So, who knows? What you would like to see is a back test of former resistance as support, but you just might not get it. It could rally straight up to 16 cents. You're kind of just sitting back waiting. Usually if you're hitting a level of resistance this many times, each time you touch it, it gets weaker. So you would be expecting that move to the upside with enough tests. The selling pressure should just go away. Then you'll see it fly up 159%. We'll see if they can do it, though. We'll see if they can do it. All right, we got Tesla. Tesla, where can you sell Pi Network? I think you can do it on, what's it called, Gate.io. OKX, BitGet, Mexi, Bitmart, and that's it. Yeah. All right, let's check out Tesla. It's still falling. Oh my goodness. But we caught some bids, baby. That's crazy. It was going for the 199. That's insane. That is insane. Now we're looking for that dead cat bounce. Nice thing. This is not a crypto. This is not a crypto. So that dead cat bounce should play out. We could see this thing pop up all the way back to 359 on a dead cat bounce. Let's see if they can do it. You know, things have been pretty shaky lately. But if Tesla can get that nice move back to the upside, it'll look really good. If it rolls if it hits 260 and starts rolling over tomorrow, you're looking at 199 and possibly retesting the long-term uptrend, which could be as low as 168. That is wild. You have not had any time to put in bullish divergence yet, so what could make a lot of sense, go back up to 291 and then come down to 199, put in that bullish divergence, and then you're set and ready to go for the next leg higher. But as of right now, yeah, Tesla, they're getting smoked. And I know everybody's going to be like, it's in protest of... No, it's not. No, it's not. Because if you look at the weekly, they were going to sell this thing off anyways. Bearish divergence on the weekly. They were going to sell this off anyways. And now you're backtesting that 200 weekly moving average. It's like it's all by design or something. So yeah. Losing this uptrend though, I don't think they wanted to do that. Alright guys, well, that is all the requests for the night. I'm going to eat my dinner and get off of here. I do appreciate each and every one of you for coming out. If you have not done so, please hit the like button, maybe subscribe to the channel. Also, join the Discord. It's absolutely free. When the market is more easily read, you will see a lot of trade setups posted all the time. And, yeah. Then you also get to see new coins that pop up. You get to see news pop-ups. All that stuff. This is your Spanish channel. Don't have a video in Spanish yet, but more than 150 videos in English. Simply Natalie. Simply Natalie. Hold on. I'm writing it down. I'm going to go and subscribe. I'm going to do it. Simply Natalie. Got you covered. Got you covered. I'm also going to follow this one. I don't speak Spanish, but you know what? Got to support those who are in the channel. Thank you. No problem. I will get some good sleep. I appreciate that. But yeah, definitely join the Discord, everybody. Great place to be. Great place to keep in touch with everybody. We got a meme section. Maybe it'll bring you some joy in these weird times in the market. Hopefully, I can start posting more memes, but I have not done so lately. Also, there's a fitness section in there. If you guys care about fitness, you guys can talk about that and whatnot. And yeah, anyways, I'm gonna stop jabbering on. I'm gonna get on out of here. Hold on. Before I go, let's all jump in and go hit that subscribe button. There we go. Did it live right there. We are now following. Also, we got to look up. Hold on. Simply Natalie. Search. Why are there so many? I think it's going to be the cookie one. Feel like it's the cookie one. Yep, we're going to subscribe to that too. Alright, Natalie. We're all subscribed in there. A lot of cooking recipes. Thanks. Good night. Good night. Take it easy. There are a lot of recipes in here. Holy shit. Tons of recipes. Just all food. Damn, bro. Out here with the recipes. We are all about to put on 15 pounds. Holy shit. I'm here for it. Alright. Well, we did it. Macaroons, got it. Hey, we're subscribed. We did it. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna get on out of here. Hopefully I see you all in Discord. Other than that, take it easy. Keep the stop losses tight. Good luck out there in your trades. Deuces, everybody. Deuces. I better make a new workout program.